Powamoto.
Motorcycle riding. Stunts like you've never seen before. Beautiful models.
You fake YouTubers, it's on.
And I came to rock.
Powamoto.
And once the gang showed up to the motorcycle meet, all the bikes arrived. We even had cruisers, stunt bikes, and even the sport bikes like the Ducati, the Ninja, the ZX-10R. We had a green one, we had a black one, we had a red one. All the boys were out to make this film session a wonderful day and riding experience. It was just a regular day, the gang doing stunts, and we were going to film another gorgeous Busa for an epic motorcycle video. And then the Busa went for a ride. And while I was waiting for the Busa to come back and get the shots, me and the drone were getting sick and tired of waiting. So we sent out a gang member to come and find out. The Busa chain had snapped. Brotherhood came through. We loaded the bike to get the Busa back home because she was not going anywhere with a broken chain. We thought the day was gonna be over, but we didn't let it stop us. We continued to film on, ride hard, and stunt like real champions. The Hyper was gonna make it happen. Oh my God! Hyper would make the day a better day. This boy was hype on his Hyper. He was hype on his Hyper, and he was squidding hard. But this is just one of those days. One of those days we had a problem that we did not expect to happen. Yeah, the universe reminds you it's not over until they say it's over. Hyper said he would come through and do the stunts and bring the day to a final close. But when he left his house, he had no idea who he was facing. The Grim Reaper. And as we're now checking out the video with you friends, you can see he did not have the proper foot control and proper leg squeezing of the tank, because when he did this wheelie, his foot slips. And as his foot slips, he grabs on for dear life, and the Grim Reaper looks at him. Once his hand hits the throttle, she screams and says, "You're going down," to see the Grim Reaper. Dumpity-dump, dumpity-dump goes the squid on his Hyper. So in summation, if your feet are not gripped properly on those foot pegs and your legs are not squeezing that tank, you are gonna loop it. That's right, loop it. You're gonna go loopy-loop on your Hyper. Stay tuned to Powamoto and learn more about what not to do on your stunt bike. And now he didn't his gear, and when he went down hard. Thanks for staying tuned to this episode. Moral of the story, do not drink and drive, and always wear your gear. Thanks for staying tuned to this channel. Merchandise reviews, product reviews, safety is #1 on Powamoto.
Sure. That's gonna be a killer
Hit the
video.
thumbs up if you like this crash video. The crash didn't stop the Hyper. He went and partied it up to live another day. And if this ever happens to you, friends, just remember Sky Champion says, always wear your gear and ride hard on Powamoto.
Just go home. You just go home, bro. You just go home.
What's up?
And you get fixed up, bro. That's the end of you for today.
It's gonna go home.
Start that shit up. Hit me up later, bro. I'll see you Wednesday. I'm gonna load it. See if it's working. It looks like it's working.
It's working, yeah.
Only thing is it's pushed in, so you're gonna need a new one. But just make sure it's on tight enough to get home. It's working, bro.
Yeah.
You just have a scratch on your cover case.
She went down bad.
You need a new bar end. Powamoto Gang, that's what we do. We look out for each other.
Bro, we have big.
He wears a helmet too.
And if you liked this crash video, check out some of these other stunt and crash videos. And thanks for subscribing. We out.